So lastly is toe touches. But damn. Okay, I got it. So I got it. So lastly is flutter kicks. Let me stop playing. Alright, I got this. So lastly is flutter kicks, heel touches, and the mountain climber. Shut up. Okay, so lastly is flutter kicks. Okay, so lastly is flutter. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be an ab circuit because we want to get what? Snatchity snatch, snatch, snatch. Okay, so yes, we're gonna do this together, but first be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend who wants to get snatchity snatch, 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 snatch as well. And you know, I could talk forever because I does this, all right? But I'm not. So let's go ahead and get into it, and we're gonna start off with some jump rope as cardio. But if you don't have a jump rope, that's okay, girl. Use your imaginary jump rope and just swing your hands and jump up and down. It's okay, it's cheap, it's free, and it works. So we're gonna start off with that, and then we're just gonna get right into the video.
Today I'ma wake up a new man, driving a new road, develop a new plan. I'll never be blue, man, whatever the view, man. Go to a new beach and give me a new tan. I'ma write down every single thought that goes on my wall. I win, I never fall. I've been gone for a minute, yeah, I had to be free. You want it, I got it, so tell me what you need. I'm unchained, unfazed, and unwilling. It's a new day, new world, we all winning. I'm up late, up early, I gotta get it. Keep working, now we gotta make a million. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it.
Hey guys, hopefully you can hear me, but we're about to do a workout. It's gonna be self-fulfilling. We're about to get these abs ready. Rhonda don't want to do it, per usual. So we're gonna do crunches, oblique crunches, and then we're gonna do reverse crunches, and then we're gonna go into our next set. So first we're gonna do crunches, oblique crunches, reverse crunches. I might take that part out, I don't know. But let's go. Because you want the body to be snatchy, snatch, you gotta do the work and the work and the work. So let's do it.
All you gotta do is put your mind to it. Wake up, I'm on to the next. New day, I gotta do my best. Every day I put the work in, the grind never stop, you ain't never see me rest. See me on top, I never fall. I speak my truth and turn it to law. Do it for the drive, you know it's really my passion. Never gonna stop me, really I'll make it happen. I gotta get up and grab it. The money want me to have it. What more could I say, I'm top billing. I grew from the dirt, guess I had to make a million. I grew up, I swear I rose from the valley. Every day I put the work in, I gotta keep a tally on beat. Pockets stay heavy, when you see me don't leave. Falling days in the streets, had homies in the struggle. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. I know you could do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm when I drop in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I'm so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my.
Next is Flutter Kicks, heel touches, and mountain climber. Okay, you guys, so that was round 1. Next round we do sets of 15. So we do the same thing and we do sets of 15. Let's go.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm when I drop in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I am so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my.
Okay, I got some season for it. Work hard for that main course. Hit the track like a racehorse. Grind hard like a skateboard, and we ride hard to a stable. 2 spouses, 4 families, 6 hustles, 8 jobs. Grind hard till we make more. Spend the dough till we make more. Diamonds on the wrist, that's the arm way. Me and Como in the kitchen.
Okay, so we're gonna keep it moving with straight leg, cross crunches, and scissors.
Oh yeah.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm when I drop in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I am so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my.
Last is Flutter Kicks, toe touches, and mountain. Keep forgetting. But lastly is toe touches. Shit, right? Dang, girl, get it right now. my god. I got it. So lastly is Flutter. Okay, I got it. For real. Y'all. So lastly is Flutter Kicks, Hill Touches, and Mountain Climbers. Boom! Let's go.
Pilot shot a Rockefeller hover. Down go to war like a soldier. Yeah. Plus they tried to count me out thinking that it's over. But I got to fight. Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight. Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Rocky Balboa with the fight. Yeah, I got to fight. Yeah, all of my might. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right. Gotta walk forward, got the dub in my sight. They thought I was losing, but I still keep coming. Life hit hard, but I never get to running. Try to knock me down, but I never get the budget. Gotta keep moving, cause the victory is coming. Victory, victory, victory. Like tried to get to me, I know I fell down, but I'm gonna stand back.
One more set. Hey, one more set. Hey. All right, guys, so this time we're gonna do 18 of each. Normally, me and my girl, we do 4 sets. We do 12, 15, 18, and 22. But I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna help y'all out a little bit. And we just gonna do the 12 to 15, and now we gotta do the 18.
Yeah, I'm going hard in the 12th round. Pilot shot a Rockefeller hover. Down go to war like a soldier. Yeah. Plus they tried to count me out thinking that it's over. But I got to fight. Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight. Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Rocky Balboa with the fight. War. Yeah, your life at stake. War. Yeah, what can you take? Yeah. Carried away. You will make great. Yeah, it'll hit hard when I'm talking about life. Gotta keep going, pressing forward in the fire. I know that this struggle is real, and then water's choppy. Yeah, I know that this life is gonna hit you and make you go fall off your horse like a jockey. Hop in the ring like you Rocky. Pilot shot a Rockefeller hover. Down go to war like a soldier. Yeah. Plus they tried to count me out thinking that it's over. But I got to fight. Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight. Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Rocky Balboa with the fight. Been through more bad things than I can mention. Got knocked down in the round, it was wrecking. Opponent keep on coming, you can feel the tension. How many hits can you take is the question. Life hit hard, but you gotta keep pressing. I'ma turn to Rocky Balboa for the lesson. Keep moving forward. Keep on stepping and stepping and stepping and stepping and Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight Rocky Balboa. Yeah, I got to fight like Rocky Balboa. Rocky Balboa with the fight.
Today I'ma wake up a new man, driving a new road, develop a new plan. I'll never be blue, man, whatever the view, man. Go to a new beach and give me a new tan. I'ma write down every single thought. Got goals on my wall, I win, I never fall. I've been gone for a minute, yeah, had to be free. You want it, I got it, so tell me what you need. I'm unchained, unfazed, and unwilling. It's a new day, new world, we all winning. I'm up late, up early, I gotta get it. Keep working, now we gotta make a million. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. I know you could do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it. Wake up, I'm on to the next. New day, I gotta do my best. Every day I put the work in, the grind never stop, you ain't never see me rest. See me on top, I never fall. I speak my truth and turn it to law. Do it for the drive, you know it's really my passion. Never gonna stop me, really I'm happen. I gotta get up and grab it. The money want me to have it. What more could I say? I'm top billing. I grew from the dirt, guess I had to make a million. I grew up, I swear I rose from the valley. Every day I put the work in, I gotta keep a tally on beat. Pockets stay heavy, when you see me don't leech. Falling days in the streets, had homies in the struggle. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. I know you could do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. It's finally over. We did it. We done it. It's done. You don't have to do it no more, but you can replay this video, help a girl out, sister out, you know what I'm saying? Be an entrepreneur, make this money, okay? And this coin, and you know, you can get snatched in the process. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, if you watched this whole video and you did not like or you did not subscribe, you are hating. And that's not a good trait, sis, bruh. Okay, so help me out, you know what I'm saying? And you know, subscribe, like, and share with a friend. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one, and I love you guys so much. Bye.